We're talking about how to cook pepperoni ziti for those on a diabetic diet. All right, now we're going to go over our ingredients we're going to need for our pepperoni ziti. We're going to need 1 package ziti, 1 tablespoon fresh Parmesan, 1.5 cups fresh mozzarella, 2 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup onions. We're going to need 3/4 cup green pepper chopped. We need 5 ounces of spinach, 8 ounces of mushrooms. We're going to need 1 large tomato, 2.5 cups tomato sauce, and with that we're going to need 1 cup in one container and 1.5 cup in the other. We're going to need olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garlic salt, 1/2 teaspoon crushed red peppers, and 2 tablespoons oregano, 1.5 ounces pepperoni, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of ricotta cheese.